Welcome back to the channel. Trader Jan speaking. This video is about the preparation of the trading day of the 10th of April 2026. I just did a review of the last trading day. Feel free to watch that one from the 9th of April. I did the review of the locations, which would have been marvelous, worked marvelously if I would have followed them, but didn't follow them. So lost a lot yesterday. And now let's focus on the market preparation. First things first, let's look at the events today. And this one doesn't really come up. That should be here now. So we have today, Friday, the 10th of April. We have CPI data. Those usually could lead to quite some fluctuation in the market at 7:30. So be careful trading around these times. I don't make any estimations, suggestions, or whatever based on those numbers, if they're above expectation or not. I leave that one to the wiser people. I just make sure that I don't trade in that time, because that's usually the time where big institutions take out their liquidity in the market. Hence, the market can make random jumps, and I don't want to be part of those jumps. So switching back to the charts and up to the 15 minutes chart. And I'm gonna switch off all those nice colors. Those represent the different sessions throughout the day, like Asia session and the European session and American session. And let's focus on the locations from yesterday. I'm gonna remove just all that one here, except that where I see, oh, they work quite well. So that one I'm gonna remove as well. This one is the low of yesterday and the end low of the day before. So I would say that one deserves a little change, and we've seen it in the review of the market yesterday as well. They could have been a little bit higher. So, and that one is daily high and low. That's what sometimes happens. That's those locations. So here, that's the right one, and the market global as well. So that is the extreme. I'm gonna mark that one here because that one is the extreme of the current day and happened to be as well one of the locations from days before. Let's scroll back a little for some days we have had here. That was support on 26th of February, and imagine that's so long ago and still valid. So, and we have that one as resistance now. So I like this location here because it used to be resistance here. It's now support. This one is the daily low of today. So I'm gonna mark that one as well. Whoa, so as long as we are here today in that range, I would prefer range trading. As soon as we break that one here, I would prefer being long. In terms of locations, we had a lot here where it was resistance, and then here it became support. I like that location, and I'm gonna mark it here. When the price comes back to that, it's highly likely that the market gonna show some kind of reaction. So those are global, so I gonna see them in all my charts. I'm just checking here this thing, global, and so I can see them in my trading chart. So I'm gonna leave those locations here, which we had defined already before, not worrying about them too much. Those are daily highs from previous days and going back to February, and we're gonna leave them. Learning of the trading day yesterday was clearly that I should follow my locations, even though I tend to have a lots, but they make sense, and just have like 100 ticks here, 100 ticks there is not too bad. I should actually follow them more. So I wouldn't make any suggestion the market gonna go down or so. I just would say, okay, as long as the market doesn't break this area, I wouldn't be long. If it stays here, it's more range. It's Friday anyway, so Fridays usually are range days. But everything below that one, everything within that range here, I would consider more range trading. Once the market breaks this level down here, I would consider more short. Once it breaks that one, I would consider more long. Okay, that is for the day. That's the preparation for the trading day 10th of April 2026. Need to be careful about my psychology today because I lost yesterday 5,000 ticks. I made a lot of mistakes. Feel free to review that video. And but I need to keep going. So I want to successful at some point, and then we need to go through those painful moments as well. Then, having said that, enjoy your day and see you down at the trading floor.